Doesn't want to pass
Absolutely,
you.
they're human and they help you as much as possible. You just need to deliver, as you said so many times in your videos. Just turn up, book the lessons, don't be scared.
Yes.
Oh, yours is definitely a lot harder. I think you do that on purpose, but that's fine. You do it hard, but then you end it in a positive to say, good practice, keep trying, well done for trying. Yeah, I mean, I recommended Mo, by the way. He's a fantastic instructor.
Thank you
Always
very
gives
much,
confidence.
Anthony.
I was so nervous before the practice, but then Mo just, helped me calm my nerves so much.
Hello guys, one more time. This is Mo here and I am with my one more student passed first time. Well done.
Thank you.
So show your certificate so at least people know that you passed, man. That's important. So I feel like it that I passed and passed first time. How's the experience?
I had a great examiner, Nikki. She was keeping me calm. She knew that I was nervous, and I would recommend Enfield Island. Don't know why there were some bad reviews on here on Google, but there was plenty of good reviews and it's worth it.
Yeah, but what do you think? It was is it true that the examiner doesn't want to pass you?
Absolutely, they're human and they help you as much as possible. You just need to deliver, as you said so many times in your videos. Just turn up, book the lessons, don't be scared.
Correct. So tell me about the whole process, how the test started, because in the beginning I know that you were thinking, you were nervous.
I was very nervous. I didn't sleep properly the day before, but that's normal, you know. That's exactly. And they were very polite, friendly.
Good. So what the best thing or the information which you like to give it to the viewers who are watching you right now, that you passed, you've gone through this whole process, and what advice and what thing they will be seeing and getting from you from this video that they know that they will pass?
Well, I'm 33 years old and I've been scared to drive my whole life, but for those that are in a similar situation that haven't scared to start, just you don't have to be a good driver to start, but you've got to start to be good. That's my first piece of advice.
Okay.
And just turn up. The second advice is turn up. Book the lessons with a good instructor like Mo. Book the test and turn up. Half the job is turning up.
Now, the whole process, how the test was compared to my mock test?
Oh, yours is definitely a lot harder. I think you do that on purpose, but that's fine. You do it hard, but then you end it in a positive to say, good practice, keep trying, well done for trying. And I think if you pass your mock test, you will 99% pass this mock test, this real test, should I say, and you'll get your thing.
Yeah, and you were very close to pass the last mock test.
Yeah, exactly, you know.
Very, very close. Very, very close.
Got better every time. You saw the first mock test, 8 serious fails, but I got it down to 0.
And then down to the 0, and it was good progress.
Good progress.
Now, another thing which I like to ask you that in the beginning of the test, examiner asked you to do a bay parking.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of the bay parking, you made a mistake.
Yeah.
You corrected.
I corrected. I knew
three
that.
times.
Yeah, 3 times.
But it did not make you fail.
No, it's a minor. Yeah.
It's a minor.
Safe. Yeah.
Correct. So you done the correction. You check your mirrors. You check your blind spots. You gone forward. You come back, and you made a mistake. You think you were on the line. Then you went forward and done it again. It was absolutely perfect. So the people have a misperception about that.
That examiners want you to fail, but that's not true. They give you as much support as possible. They're not robots, they're humans. Yeah. So strict, they're only trying to do their job.
Correct. Now, if you made a mistake during the maneuver or slow moving exercise, what advice do people will take from you now?
Yeah, just remember your training and correct it. Make the adjustments.
Good. If they have done it like more than 2 times, adjust.
Don't panic. Take a breath. Do what your instructor's been telling you and what you've been practicing. Just remember that the examiner's not. The examiner's trying to help you as much as possible. Keep calm.
Correct. Excellent. Yeah. Now, in terms of throughout the test, I always say to you in the test, and I ask you to repeat the instruction. Have you done the same thing?
I did the same thing. A few times I didn't do it, and then I totally forgot. But that's fine. That's why it's so important to repeat instructions, as you said. But it's natural to me nervous. But just repeat the instructions, and you're more likely to remember it.
Good. So the examiner was very friendly.
100% friendly. You know.
As I mentioned to you, she's very good. I mean, they have nothing against you guys,
exactly.
And they want you to pass.
You just need to deliver.
You need to deliver. You need to drive safe and turn up, and then there. In terms of you done the independent driving.
Yeah.
On the sat nav or directions?
We started off 20 minutes with the sat nav, and then 20 minutes later, I followed her directions.
Okay, good, good. Which test route they have taken you?
Somewhere I've never been before. We went past Wolverhampton Abbey near the KFC.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So the roundabout they asked you to turn right.
It's definitely a place I've never been before.
It's the same.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
the same
20
road.
miles road.
Good.
Track safely. And that's it.
Excellent. That's very good. Yeah. Now, other thing which I like to ask you, they ask you, tell me questions in the beginning.
Yeah.
What question they ask you the first one?
The tyre condition and the tread depth. So I said that 1.6 mm and 3/4 around the outer humps, and make sure there's no deep catches or bulges.
Perfect. And the next one they ask you the show one, which you while driving.
Yeah, the rear demister.
Oh, rear demister control. That's brilliant. So how do you feel now? You have a full license.
Yeah, I mean, think the key thing is to always keep learning. Just because you pass this test on this car, on this route, you always have to keep learning. And hopefully you'd help me with my new car.
I will do my best.
Exactly. I mean, I recommended Mo, by the way. He's a fantastic instructor.
Thank you very much, Anthony.
I was so nervous before the practice, but Mo just helped me calm my nerves so much.
That's good. So the guys, you can see that one more pass right here, Anthony. And if you feel like it, go subscribe to the channel. Same time, watch the videos, build up the confidence. If you want to learn, go to the website, get the number, contact me, and I will do my best to help you. Test is easy, it's not very hard, but you need to make yourself a decision to start. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you guys. Take care.